Hey folks, I'm Andrew, the CEO of Descript. We've just released some new stuff that makes Descript hands down the best end-to-end tool for making videos like this one. I'm obviously biased, so I thought I'd just show you my workflow for making this video and let you decide. Step one is recording in Descript. Sometimes I'm just recording the camera like I did in this video. Other times I'm recording with my screen at the same time. Sometimes I'm working from a script. Other times I'm just going unscripted like I am here. In any case, I just let it roll. I do a zillion takes because Descript makes it so easy to clean those up in the edit. Okay, next step is editing the recording. This is kind of what we're famous for, is we make it really easy to edit recordings by editing text, just like you would in a doc. What you might not know is we now have Underlord, our AI assistant, that will do a lot of this for you automatically. I can just go here to remove retakes and it will automatically pick the best take. Now it's time to edit visuals. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go through my video and basically break it up into my different shots, which we call scenes. So for example, here I wanted to have a lower thirds title. I just select the area where I want to have the lower thirds. I click add scene, and then I pick the speaker title. A lot of this video is going to have overlays that I'm going to record later of screen recordings. So to do that, I make a selection, add a scene, and select media overlay. So we have different scene types for all the most common shots you're going to use. We even have different layouts if you hit the More button, so you can pick the one that is most appropriate for your style. You can click here to change your layout pack and see some different really professional looking styles that we've created for you. Or of course, you can make your own custom layout pack to match your brand. One last thing, you've noticed it already in this video. Whenever you change scenes, we add these really incredible looking transitions. These things are hard to do even if you're using a tool like Adobe Premiere, and Descript just makes it automatic. Okay, the final step is I'm going to go through and add what's called B-roll, which is all the overlay media that I want to use. Here I can just go and click on a placeholder and I can either record into it, I can pick a stock asset to put into it, or I can just drag and drop a file or a recording that I have from my computer. That's it. Hands down, the easiest, fastest way to make incredible looking videos like this one. Go check out all the new stuff. It's available now in the Descript app.